All I wanted was a nice new kitchen.
I just don't understand why everything has to be so beige.
You wanted the beige.
I didn't want the beige, you wanted the beige.
And you tried to save money by having your cousin Earl install the cabinets. We haven't had a kitchen in 8 months.
You guys are just trying to compromise, just like any couple would do. Besides, you can still fix this. The kitchen, I mean. Don't be mad, go with Jad. Call us next time and we can help, and possibly even save your relationship.
We should have just gone with Jad.
Yeah.
Joshua Allen Design is not responsible for the health and prosperity of any marriage, civil union, domestic partnership, business relationship, friends with benefits, or sneaky links. May cause utter and complete satisfaction and euphoria from the design and layout of your new space. But we're definitely not responsible for your relationship. That's on you.